Saran has arrived at the Delhi airport. We'll try to ask question to him. सिंह जी, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
मेरे पास
आपके खिलाफ अब चार्जशीट दायर हो गई। चार्जशीट में कई सारी चीजें सामने आ रही हैं। 354 AD सब कुछ
मेरे खिलाफ मेरे पास बोलने के आपके लिए बोलने के लिए मेरे पास कुछ नहीं है।
पुलिस ने कहा है कि कार्रवाई की जानी चाहिए, आप सजा के हकदार हैं।
मेरे पास आपके लिए कुछ मसाला नहीं है।
प्रियंका गांधी कह रही हैं कि आपको पार्टी निष्कासित क्यों नहीं कर रही है?
कोर्ट में चलिए, कोर्ट में।
क्या आप अब इस्तीफा देंगे?
क्यों दे इस्तीफा?
इस्तीफा नहीं देंगे?
क्यों दे इस्तीफा? इस्तीफा किस बात की मांग रहे हैं आप?
6 आपके खिलाफ आप इस तरह से कैसे बात कर सकते हैं? 6 आपके खिलाफ केसेस दायर हो चुके, क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप इस पे? 6 केसेस दायर हो चुके जिसमें सेक्सुअल हैरेसमेंट है, और ये भी कहा गया है कि लगातार सेक्सुअल हैरेसमेंट किया गया आपने उनको। प्रोटीन पाउडर जब दे रहे थे तब भी आपने प्रोटीन सप्लीमेंट देने के इसमें किया गया। हमारे माइक। So this was Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh, who just misbehaved with the media personals, and he has just, while we were speaking to him, he did not respond. He behaved in a rude manner, and that is what the Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh, the BJP MP, who is accused of the alleged sexual harassment charges by the top wrestlers of the country, behaves in this manner. When we try to ask the question, we try to ask him that why is he not resigning. We try to ask him that on what moral grounds he is still on the sitting position as an MP. We tried to ask him that how will he put forward his point of view on July 18 when court has summoned him.
Well, nothing justifies this behavior on part of Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh. I'm being joined by Badhav and Karishma. But before that, and before going across to Rishabh as well, I want to quickly bring in Tetri. Tetri, you confronted Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh. You, in fact, put out pointed questions to him, and that's the kind of behavior he resorted to. First up, please put these statements in perspective for our viewers and why these questions are so very important which were asked to him, and the kind of arrogance really that has been caught on cameras, Tetri.
Well, it took off from the Lucknow airport at 3 p.m. and we were waiting since then so that we could ask him questions that what kind of things that he will put out in front of court when court has summoned him on July 18, number 1. Number 2, then we asked him that why is he not resigning. Number 3, we have asked him that how would he see the charges, the serious charges that have been mentioned in the charge sheet, because the serious charges are 354A, 354D and 354 itself. That could also result into, if convicted, 5 years of imprisonment. And when we had asked him that why is he not resigning on the moral grounds, he misbehaved with Triumph's crew. He shouted at us, he yelled at us, he sat in his car. Still, Times Network did not stop asking questions. We kept on asking that this is not merely one charge, but several other charges have also been filed against him. While the victims have also mentioned that while giving protein supplements, he asked for some kind of favors. While clicking pictures, he threatened them. He asked again for some kind of favors. So to that, rather than responding, rather than answering our questions, he threw our mic. He tried to, in fact, threw our mic and also tried to misbehave with the entire crew. And in fact, not only himself, his entire team was not, in fact, allowing us to ask the question. We managed here to stand at the airport. In fact, we were asked to vacate this particular place. This is the VIP gate. I would like to show you from where he was coming out. And what we did was we were just standing here where we were not allowed to, in fact, but we managed because we wanted to ask straightforward questions to him. We questioned him, and when we asked questions to him on the alleged sexual harassment charges, he misbehaved. And this is what we have seen, that how a BJP MP and the outgoing WFI chief misbehaves when we ask him questions on the moral grounds of resignation.
Well, you did ask him if he will step down on moral grounds. Madhav, forget stepping down on moral grounds. He resorted to this kind of an arrogant behavior. Absolutely bizarre. He remained defiant all throughout and misbehaved with the entire crew.